Section 1. A Man of Curiosity. Introducing Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was a British scientist. He was born in England in 1809. Darwin is most famous for his theory of evolution by natural selection. This theory changed the way we think about life on Earth. Darwin's work helps us understand the diversity of life. It also explains how all living things are connected. Darwin's ideas were revolutionary. He challenged the accepted beliefs of his time. His work was controversial, but it was also groundbreaking. Darwin's theory of evolution remains one of the most important scientific discoveries ever made. Section 2. The Making of a Naturalist. Darwin's Early Years. Charles Darwin was a curious child. He loved to explore the natural world. He collected insects, shells, and rocks. Darwin's passion for nature continued to grow as he got older. Darwin went to university to study medicine. However, he soon realized that he was more interested in natural history. Darwin was particularly fascinated by geology and the study of fossils. He spent much of his time reading books about nature and attending lectures on science. After university, Darwin had the opportunity to join a scientific expedition. He traveled on a ship called the HMS Beagle. This voyage would change Darwin's life and the course of scientific history. Section 3. Voyage of Discovery, the Beagle and Beyond. The HMS Beagle set sail from England in 1831. The ship's mission was to map the coast of South America. Darwin's job was to be the ship's naturalist. He was tasked with observing and collecting specimens of plants, animals, and rocks. The voyage lasted for 5 years. During that time, Darwin visited many different places. He explored rainforests, deserts, and mountains. Darwin was amazed by the diversity of life he encountered. He saw strange and wonderful creatures that he had never imagined. Darwin carefully recorded his observations in notebooks. He collected thousands of specimens. He sent these specimens back to England for further study. The voyage of the Beagle was a turning point in Darwin's life. It provided him with a wealth of evidence that would later form the basis of his theory of evolution. Section 4. A Revolutionary Theory. Evolution by Natural Selection. After returning from his voyage, Darwin spent many years analyzing his observations. He read widely on topics such as geology, biology, and economics. Darwin began to develop a revolutionary idea. He realized that species could change over time. Darwin called this process natural selection. He proposed that individuals within a species are not all identical. They have slight variations. Some variations make individuals better suited to their environment. These individuals are more likely to survive and reproduce. They pass on their advantageous traits to their offspring. Over many generations, these small changes can accumulate. This leads to the formation of new species. Darwin published his theory in his famous book, On the Origin of Species. This book was met with both praise and controversy. Darwin's ideas challenged the long-held belief that species were created independently and remained unchanged. Section 5. Darwin's Insights Beyond Evolution. While Darwin is best known for his theory of evolution, his contributions to science extend far beyond this single idea. Darwin's work also revolutionized our understanding of ecology, genetics, and botany. His careful observations of plants and animals laid the groundwork for modern fields of study. Darwin's studies of earthworms, for example, revealed their crucial role in soil fertility. His experiments with orchids demonstrated the intricate relationships between plants and their pollinators. Darwin's curiosity knew no bounds. He investigated the behavior of ants, the expressions of emotions in animals, and the development of human intelligence. In all of his endeavors, Darwin emphasized the interconnectedness of life on Earth. He recognized that all living organisms are part of a complex web of relationships. This holistic perspective continues to shape scientific thought today. Section 6. A Legacy of Understanding. Darwin's Enduring Impact. Charles Darwin's legacy is immense. His work transformed our understanding of the natural world. His ideas have had a profound impact on science, medicine, agriculture, and even philosophy. Darwin's theory of evolution is now accepted as the foundation of modern biology. It provides a unifying framework for understanding the diversity of life on Earth. Evolutionary principles are used to develop new medicines, to breed more resilient crops, and to conserve endangered species. Perhaps most importantly, Darwin's work encourages us to approach the world with a sense of wonder and curiosity. He reminds us that the natural world is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Darwin's legacy continues to inspire scientists and thinkers around the globe, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end.